up, speak up.
Hi, welcome to Speak Up. Today we will learn a new interesting proverb and at the same time practice your English pronunciation. Our proverb is, no room to swing a cat. In the old days, sailors in the British Navy who did something wrong were punished with the whip, which was called a cat of 9 tails. The punishment took place on the deck because in small ship rooms there wasn't enough space for a whip to swing or swinging a cat. Since that time, people began describing a place of little space with the proverb, no room to swing a cat. For example, you can say, on the first recital of the young singer, so many people gathered in the hall that there was no room to swing a cat. Now, I'm going to demonstrate how to pronounce this proverb. Please watch closely how I use my lips, teeth, jaw, tongue, and facial muscles to pronounce the proverb. Repeat after me. No room to swing a cat. No room to swing a cat. No room to swing a cat. Good job, everyone. Thank you for watching Speak Up. All the best and see you soon.
Speak up, speak up.